This is the Sound and the Furry.
Hey everybody, we're the Sound and the Furry. Just sitting here a few seconds ago. We need a piece of advice that you've been given any time in your life.
The grass is always greener on the other side.
Grass?
That's true. The grass is always greener on that side.
To go to Europe. I hear there they care about health for everyone. Maybe I could get my foot looked at. It's got a growth on there that's been there for 12 years. Life is better over tickle your aunt's toes when she's sleeping, or pee in your brother's bed and say it's his. Life is better over there. Life is better over
Garrett, I've been looking through this car magazine for hours. I just can't find a vehicle I like.
Yeah.
You have 30 cars. What do you like, Garrett?
Well, clearly I'm very bad at decision making. Otherwise,
That's why I hired you. As my assistant, you're just supposed to support my decisions at all times, Garrett.
Jalissa,
Yes.
I want to make a statement right now and say, I support your decision.
Really? Do you? I have a piece of litter in my hand. I'm going to throw it over there.
Yes! Good choice.
That's right, Garrett.
Litter.
Garrett, listen to me. I didn't want to tell you this, but you're my brother. I found you through Ancestry.com, the sibling section.
I don't know what to say.
I knew you were working at the soda shop, and I'm wealthy for no reason, so I thought I might as well help you and teach you my ways.
There's so many thoughts going through my head, like, one, that's kind of bitchy that you'd hire me as your assistant and have me clean your pool and your toilet for 6 months rather than just saying, hey, I'm your brother, can we hang out?
I just thought this was the most beneficial way for me to get what I want.
Which is clearly one of my 30 cars.
Brother, I don't
I am too.
You are we're fly. Let's be sailing for life. Let's be sailing for life.
Sorry, my bad.
No, it's okay. I still love you because I have to, because that's how it works. I totally my car.
Welcome to Europe, land of free healthcare. What's your ailment?
I actually just came to see like the Eiffel Tower and.
What physical condition do you have that brings you to Europe?
No, I'm just here. I'm traveling.
Is it physical or emotional?
Yeah, no, I guess.
Spiritual?
Sure, I have a bit of wanderlust. I don't know if that's. I don't think that's covered. I'm not actually looking for healthcare.
I'm
Is
sorry.
that-
Hold on. This is actually it's been a long time since we've had actually somebody who just wanted to come to Europe for us.
Yeah,
Usually we're
no.
used to like our healthcare.
No, I'm interested
Free
in your
healthcare.
culture.
What?
Yeah.
Our culture.
Yes, in America, we have these things called universities.
Yeah,
And-
yeah, asshole. I know what a university is. Fuck, it's Europe. That doesn't mean that we don't know words.
Well,
By the way, I have a neutral accent. Just thought I'd
yes,
call
it's
that.
I couldn't quite place it. Is it Czech? Are you Czech?
Nope.
Okay. No, I didn't mean to insult you, sir. You seem convinced that all Americans are only here to take advantage of your
Well,
healthcare system.
everyone else in the world knows that Americans only exist to take advantage of everyone.
Wow. Now see, that seems like an asshole thing to say
No,
right there.
no, it's true. It's a universal truth. Americans
It's a
are
continental
pretty
truth.
shitty as people. That's an audience pleaser right there. All right, tell me name some things about America and bounce them off to me, and I'll see if we plays.
In America, we have many wonderful parks. And we've got some libraries.
Yeah, so we have those too.
There's also our food is not great.
There you go.
And
Work through it.
our television leaves something to be desired.
Let's face it, America is shit. America is
I feel like that's kind of not the best send
All right,
here at the customs
give me more.
office.
Let's go for some good things.
Well, I'm not-
So
I'm-
far, you're kind of retreating on all the things.
Yeah,
that you're
I
saying.
didn't know I was going to be forced to defend my home country.
Well, you
I
don't
came
get
here to
past
learn
the
about
border
yours.
until you defend yourself.
All right, well, okay.
Surely you have some redeeming value.
When's the last time you went to a laser tag emporium?
Pretty much never.
When's the last time you ate a 9,000 calorie burger?
I'm helping you.
When's the last time you watched a reality show about a reality show?
You gotta quit that.
Well, I think America's not all shit.
America.
America.
Is still shit.
It's not all shit.
America.
America is not all shit.
And when I sleep at night, I think of your black president.
Oh yeah, that one.
It makes me have a feeling. I'm here to cleanse your soul, to make you feel like, you know, good. Like you're a contributing member of society.
Well, you know what? I'm here. What?
Joe, please continue.
You sure do touch a lot for someone who's here to save a soul.
Well, because the Lord touched me in my heart, and I want to touch you in yours.
But that's my boo.
Bad aim. Bad touch. I always get those confused. I'm so sorry.
I have something for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm here to save your soul.
Oh, hey! Oh.
That's right. That's right.
That's a soft touch you got there.
Yeah, it's a good touch. It's a good touch. Let it touch your soul. If you just sit back and relax. Think about the first time you met Jesus. He came into your heart and exploded something. Love in your heart.
Feels like, almost like the Holy Spirit's rushing through my veins.
That's
How about you bless me, sister, with the Holy Spirit?
The blood is ready to release. Take me to heaven. Make me feel the Holy Spirit. I wanna feel like I'm one with you, like the Lord is with me. Where'd you go?
I'll touch you in your sacred place. I'll touch you where only Jesus has been. I'll touch you down to your soul. I'll save your soul.
It's coming, this is love.
It's holy and pure. I can feel it inside of both of us. I'm ready for a holy nap.
So you're saying?
That's, I got nothing else to say.
That's my favorite song.
Which song? I was just singing any old tune that came out of my mouth, sweetie.
You're the hot dog stand guy, right?
You're the acorn girl, right?
That's right. I sell acorns right over there.
I was curious about who would buy acorn.
No one. That's why I'm just laying in the grass.
You know, sometimes you gotta take a step aside and leave your acorn stand or your hot dog stand and just, you know, take a walk on the green side.
Like walking on the lower east side, barefoot?
Sure, whatever floats your boat.
Wow.
Hey,
It is a grass.
I'm Dex.
I'm Deontay.
not the same thing that you normally do. Something different that you do that's not the same as what you normally do.
I was in a hot air balloon once and I threw acorns down at everyone.
This is before you started selling acorns or after?
Everyone was so excited about the acorns that I started to stand. They've just never been excited since.
Oh.
No.
Can I tell you something?
Please do,
I've
Dad.
never had a hot dog in my life.
Are you? Why?
I never took that step. I figured that's what the people wanted, but I never knew what I wanted. So many things in life. Sometimes you need more acorns and more hot dogs.
I think that's a metaphor for something greater, Dad. And I like where you're going with it. And I agree.
Sometimes in life you need to make a choice for something different than you voice with your voice. You need to settle acorns or a big hot dog. You make a choice, you make a choice. The grass is greener on the other side. Life is better on that side. The grass is greener on the other side. Life is better on the other side.
When I was little, I wanted to be a magician.
Magical.
Then I tried to make my dog disappear. And I did. It scarred me for life. So I decided to sell food.
Wait, he actually disappeared.
I've never found little gumshoe.
Poor gumshoe, but life is better.
Life is better
On the other side.
on the other
It's greener
So
on
much
the
greener.
other side. Life is better on the other side. Life is greener on the other side. So many choices that we make in our lives. Some of them good, some of them kind of shitty. You know, like giving up on America is a shitty thing to do. You need to stay here and make it better. If you don't. Granted, we're pretty shitty a lot of the
I
time.
agree. We are shitty,
We're
but
pretty
at
shitty.
least we know that we're shitty. That's
Yeah.
one step ahead.
First step, recognize how shitty we are. Like this guy.
I'm not sure I accept the premise.
He knows.